My name is Giselle Mutz, and I play Nina. This is a story about human connection. It asks huge existential questions that force you as an audience member to get uncomfortable and look inside yourself.
Hi, I'm Amelia Sargent, and I'm playing Emma. This play, Stupid Effing Bird, is Aaron Posner's sort of adaptation of Anton Chekhov's The Seagull.
Hi, I'm David Frankel. I'm the artistic director of the Tampa Repertory Theater, and I'm also one of the co-directors, along with my wife Connie, of this production of Stupid Bird. One of the reasons that we decided to do this play now, and why we think it's important now, is that it's about what lies at the heart of the nature of relationships between people, and how do you know what you really feel as opposed to what we pretend to feel.
Tampa Rep produces plays that are innovative, provocative, and classic, and this play is certainly all three of those things. The human struggles, internal and external, are really timeless. Everyone wants to be loved.
So the actors are characters in a play, and they know they're in a play, and they talk to the audience, and they talk to each other, and that's kind of unusual and fun.
Tampa Rep takes storytelling risks. It's going to intrigue you in a way that the classics were intended to for the audiences years ago. You're kind of putting a puzzle together with us in this whole experience.
The play ultimately gets at a truth that's bigger than just the facts, but deals with a kind of what we often call a dramatic truth that tells us something about ourselves. And we hope you'll come and see whether that's true or not.